Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the preferences in the TenantApp application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the search options button. So first you have to set the status, so if you're just exploring or you need to move in before a specific date or after a specific date, so just click on the one that's true to you and then click on the save button. And then you have to set the price range, so just select the price range that you want to search within, and you can choose the you have to choose the upper limit as well, or you can just set it to no upper limit. And then you have to set the further preferences, like who are you are moving with friends, family, or with partner. You have to set the number of bedrooms, bathrooms that you want to have in the accommodation. You have to set the parking options. It's very important. And then, of course, the property type. So if you want to move into a house or an apartment. And then you can also set if you want the apartment to be furnished, if you want pets, if you want to bring pets with you, and if you want to have pool. And then you can also add some keywords, and then just click on the confirm button. And then of course, lastly, you have to set the location, so where you want to move. And once everything is set, just click on the search button, and then the application will find properties for you based on your wishes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.